Uh, Good morning. So, in this unit 2 of the high voltage engineering, it deals with ionization process in various materials which are gaseous, solid, liquid, and composite materials. So, first we are going to see the various properties of dielectric materials. Kindly go through this video. Thank you.
YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed about what is high voltage engineering, what do we mean by dielectric material, what are the types of dielectric material, what are the properties of dielectric material, and different examples of dielectric material. Today, I am going to teach you what do we mean by dielectric breakdown. What is dielectric breakdown? Dielectric breakdown. What do you mean by dielectric breakdown? What is a dielectric breakdown? Let us have a brief discussion on dielectric breakdown. Before studying high voltage engineering, we need to know those parameters. That is most important. Dielectric breakdown, let us see the definition. Let us see the standard definition of dielectric breakdown. It is nothing but current flow through dielectrics. It is nothing but current flows through dielectrics. Current flows through dielectrics when voltage applied exceeds when applied voltage exceeds breakdown voltage. That means when current flows through dielectrics when applied voltage exceeds breakdown voltage. Or else I can say that failure of dielectric to withstand applied voltage. Failure of dielectrics. So failure of dielectrics to withstand applied voltage. To withstand applied voltage. So I can mention this applied voltage in terms of electric stress. That means basically the dielectric material should have a very good insulator property. Whenever you are applying high voltage, if the insulation property of dielectric property that may be getting spoiled, that phenomenon is generally known as dielectric breakdown. Okay, that means you have one dielectric material, you are applying high voltage across that particular dielectric material. Whenever you are applying high voltage, if the applied voltage exceeds the breakdown value of that particular material, what does it mean? The dielectric breakdown has been happened. For example, I have a dielectric material. The breakdown strength of the material is 1000 megavolt per centimeter. Suppose if I apply high voltage, for example, I am going to apply high voltage of 1005 megavolt per centimeter. I am going to apply 1005 megavolt per centimeter. At that time, what will happen? Entire property of that material gets spoiled. As a result, small amount of current that will be flowing through that particular dielectric material. A very small amount of current that is going to flow through that material. So that material cannot be used further. That means the insulation property, the insulating property of that material gets spoiled. That is known as dielectric breakdown. Okay, can I go further? I'll be proceeding the next topic. What are the desirable property? What are the desirable properties of dielectric breakdown? I hope you could understand what is dielectric breakdown. Okay. What are the desirable properties? What are the desirable properties of dielectric material? Let us have a brief discussion of desirable property. What are the desirable properties of dielectric material? Dielectric material. Let us have a brief discussion on the desirable properties of dielectric material. First and foremost thing, it should have high dielectric strength. It should have high dielectric strength. That is most important property. Most important. While choosing a dielectric material, make sure that it should have high dielectric strength. Next is, it should have high thermal stability. It should have high thermal stability. It must be thermally stable. Then chemically inert. Chemical inertness. Chemical inertness. Moreover, non-inflammability. Non-inflammability. Then good heat transfer capability. Good heat transfer capability. Good heat transfer capability. Similarly, cost should be low. Low cost effective. These are the desirable property. While choosing a dielectric material, you must follow the following criteria. Okay, these are the desirable properties of a dielectric material. While choosing, you should follow those criteria. Hope you could understand what I am speaking. Next, I would like to explain the breakdown phenomenon in gaseous dielectric material. Let us have a brief discussion. What are the different theories that will be supporting for gaseous dielectric material? What are the examples of gaseous dielectric material? As you can say, sulfur hexafluoride, air, vacuum. Those are the examples of gaseous dielectric material. Now, I would like to list out what are the various phenomena or what are the various theories which are related to gaseous dielectric material. Breakdown in gaseous dielectric material.
So, in this class, we saw about desirable properties of dielectric material. In the next class, we will be seeing about an important university question, that is Townsend's criterion for gaseous breakdown. So, it will be seen in the next class. So, thank you so much.